What's crack-a-lackin', boys? It's Friday. Fresh cash. Fresh cash Friday. Who's excited? I'm excited. You guys see those CPI numbers coming out? Oh my gosh. It's a murder. It's an absolute murder. Literally. It's a murder. It's going to be a fun day, just like we talked about yesterday. Literally spot on right now. The CPI numbers coming out, and the market just getting murdered. Who's excited? Who's excited? I know you guys are so excited. It's going to be a good day. Anybody buy puts last night? Anybody buy puts? Oh my gosh. Who bought puts? Anybody? Look at this gap down right now on this. Oh my gosh. From the 299 close last night, 300, basically like 300 level, down to 292. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. And the SPY is going to be opening at 394. I literally yesterday said the SPY would see 390 today. Oh my gosh. Let's go, boys. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Ding, 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 ding. Hit it. Let's go. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Let's blow this shit up. Let's go big today. Let's make some dreams happen today. Let's make dreams come true. Bull trap at open. We'll see here. Look at this thing right now. Down to the 12,000 flat. That's a 300 handle drop after those CPI numbers come out. I guess I should have woke up a little earlier this morning, 2:30. Waking up at 2:30. I should have woke up at 2:30 this morning here in Hawaii. Get that bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 baby. Ouch. That's just nasty. Oh man. It's gonna be one of those days, boys. One of those days. It's gonna be one of them days. Got a little bit of time here. 3 minutes here till the market opens, so we're just hanging out. We're watching. We're waiting. Looking for some opportunities today. I think we get a little bit of a bounce here at open probably. And then we look for the dump. I don't know. We'll see. If that 12,000 area just cracks at open, it's gonna be I don't know. It's just gonna be bad. It's gonna be real bad, boys. Looking here at the SPY, like where is the next support at? Where is the next support? I'd say there's some support there at the 390 level. We're kind of like in that area of consolidation from before on the SPY, so yeah, 393 area and then 390. I think 390 is very doable today. 390 is very doable today. Man. This is literally playing out exactly like we talked about yesterday. We like had this whole discussion yesterday, if you guys remember. And there it is. Absolutely just madness. I mean, that's such a big gap down. Like literally not even overnight, you know, like in the last hour since what, 8 o'clock when those numbers came out, 8:30. So an hour, some serious selling, baby. We'll see what happens here at open. We're getting ready for the market to open. Market's getting ready to open here. We got the SPY down to the 393.53, 58. It's game on, baby. Welcome to the biggest and greatest show on earth, where you can make your dreams come true or you can ruin your life. It's a magical thing. Isn't the market just a magical thing? It gives you the opportunity to create massive wealth or lose everything. There is no middle ground. It's either you're going broke or you're going to get rich, rich, rich. So let's go. Market is now open for business. If you can see here, it's kind of down there at the 393 level. It's gonna be, I don't even know what to do right now. This is something else. I would expect some type of bounce back. I mean, just something, right? Like, possibly, you would think. You would think there'd be a very high likelihood of a bounce back here. Watching the NQs right now. See if we get a push up here to the 12,100 area. I'd like to see some resistance, or if we just start to sell here. Market's kind of just trying to figure out which way it wants to go. Give it a little bit of time to push up here. Let's see if like 295 gets denied here. Like literally, I mean, I don't even know what to do right now, trading wise. Look at this chart here. It's like, what to do, what to do. Sell, 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 baby. Let's go. Market just kind of indecisive down here. I literally like don't even know what to do here. I'm gonna try to take a short here, see if we get a short going. If we break this low on the Qs now, below 293. Looking for a break below the 12,000s on the NQ right now. Get a break below the low of day here. Looking for this breakdown below the 12,000s here. See if we got a nice little move. I'm currently short here. I got a terrible entry from the 23s. And like my platform right now, I don't know why everything's like lagging so bad right now. Is that just me or is that everybody? Everybody getting that lag? Like look at my platform right now. It's like barely moving. Like literally, like what the fuck? You tell if it's my internet or what? Even, I mean, even on the trading view charts, they're pretty laggy. Roy Jenkins, new member. Let's go. Today's the day, baby. Fresh Cash Friday. You got that fresh cash. It's payday. Let's get some memberships popping off up in here. Let's go to the moon, boys. So, yeah, bouncing there off the 12,000s now. I'm going to give it a little bit of time. I don't have any rush. I think there's going to be some amazing moves here to happen either way today, so we'll just be patient and wait for this to really give us a good setup here. Even though we might just sell, I'm okay with waiting for a good setup here. The thing is, like, if you get a good setup, you just have that much more confidence in holding. You know, you get a better profit, less risk. So. Hey, CPI numbers getting some fresh cash for everybody today. I wish I would have bought some puts yesterday. Oh my gosh. It's crazy though, because I feel like, I mean, did anybody expect that the CPI numbers would be good? Did anybody expect it? I don't think anyone expected the CPI numbers to be good. Like, I just don't think anyone expected that. It was almost like it was too easy. That's what I was like worried about. I was like, man, is it too, it's almost like too easy to think that it would just dump like this. I don't know. Too easy. Yeah, I said that as well. Well, not that I'm trying to claim it, but I was kind of worried that the CPI numbers would be not be bad enough, and it would just be like already kind of priced in. But there it is. So we're just looking here. Looking to see what the market's going to do here. This is a big old drop, big old gap down. See if we might get a little pop up here. Back up to the VWAP there. 293 area on the VWAP. I wouldn't be surprised to see some type of little pop up here. It's almost like I said, it's too easy right now. Like, it's too easy. It needs to be some type of fake out. We got to get like a spike up, a trap or something. There's got to be something to set this up. Or maybe we just go lower and lower forever. I don't know. I just feel like it's too easy right now. Too easy just to short, right? Like, the key to a recession is to never admit that you're in a recession. Don't you understand this, Matthew? You don't talk about the recession. It's like the key to getting through a recession is to not talk about the recession. Never address it. Never admit that there is a recession. Because then it's like, oh, there was a recession. Be surprised when somebody asks you, is there a recession? No, well, I don't think there's a recession. The world's amazing, right? There's no recession. Russia's gonna kill everybody, but hey, there's no recession. Denial, you know, deny, deny, deny. Never admit that there's a possibility that the greatest country in the world is just printing more and more money like it's hot and inflation is running rampant. The funny thing is, like, we created the inflation. Like, there's nobody else to blame but us. Like, you know, the humans, the people. Like, inflation didn't just happen because, you know, like the environment or because of the weather. Inflation happened because people in Washington decided that you could just print money like it was free forever. I think the whole stimulus check thing was kind of crazy. I never got one, obviously, but I don't know. Just seemed like it was unneeded. Or maybe, I guess, you know, I'm sure some people needed it, but there's probably a lot of people out there that got stimulus check that really didn't need it. All right, so this market trying to push up here. I'm trying to look for a move up to the 294 area on the Qs here. I think we get some type of pop up. Why I don't see Vitaly? I wouldn't $1,000. I don't need $1,000 for a stimulus check. Deep down, why the fuck? I didn't wish. I would never sit around wishing that I got $1,000. I don't know how broke you are, but trust me, at no point in my life have I wished that I got the stimulus check. Yeah, now I'm paying for it. I'll be paying for everybody getting stimulus check for the rest of my life. And then everyone talking about student loans. Oh, they're gonna get rid of student loans. So I'm like, oh yeah, that's a great idea. Just wipe out all that debt. If they're gonna get rid of student loans, I'm gonna go get a student loan tomorrow. I'm gonna get the worst one there is with the highest APR. Just give me a student loan. I want $100,000. I'm going back to college. Give me a student loan. I'm ready to go to college. I'm 33 years old. I'm finally going to college. I'm gonna get a degree in life. You know what a lot of people need, Walt? They need to get their asses to work. That's what people need. People need to work, people. This whole thing, like, everyone talks about, you know, like, obviously money and, you know, like, some people need it, blah, blah, blah. But I'll tell you what. My dad has a construction company, and he's like, he'll hire somebody literally like $20 starting. Like $20 starting per hour. And nobody wants to work. Literally, nobody wants to work. So all that bullshit about everybody, like, oh, there's no jobs, can't make money, can't make a living. Nah. It's not true. My dad, his business would have literally hired someone every single day during the pandemic. Yeah, nobody wants to work for $20 an hour anymore. They'd rather work at McDonald's making $10 an hour just because it's easy. And they complain about minimum wage. I have the minimum wage. I just can't live anymore. It's just on the minimum wage. Only people getting paid minimum wage in this country are literally high schoolers. If you work at McDonald's for more than 5 minutes, they give you a raise. Like, if you just literally show up for like 2 days in a row, they give you a raise. All right, looking for this push up, 294. Like I said, let's go. Look at that, push up to 294, baby. Foxtrot made $2.80 when he was a kid. Holy shit, this guy's old. $2.80 an hour. That's some serious minimum wage right there. $2.94, push it up right now. You can see we're currently long on the MNQ right here. I think we can get a push over the $2.94 area here. Up to $200 here on these two contracts. Looking to sell a little bit here. Getting a fill there. Got one contract left. Looking to ride the rest here. Up maybe to the 295s. We're trading the MNQ, the micro NASDAQ future contracts. Watching the SPY, the Qs. We're getting the action, baby. We're currently long from the 12,005 area, so we're up about 50 handles right now on these micro contracts. Let's see what happens here. If we get a bigger push up, 295 level. Watching the 293 area. If we can't hold there, we'll end up getting out. Why do we have to save students? That's what I want to know. Why? What are they doing for us? Who told them to go to college to get a student loan? Not me. Why should I pay the penalty because some idiot out there decided to go to college? Don't get me started on college. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. If you want to get me on a rant, oh gosh. It doesn't allow me to do the buy and sell signals. I wish it did. I was looking at that the other day actually. Let me look. I don't think there's a way to do it. New to chart. Where to display. It's not really there. I would trust me. I would prefer if I had if it did show the entries and exits, because even sometimes for me, I'm like, where did I enter at on this? It'd be nice to be able to see for videos for sure. Maybe I'll ask the developers if they can add that somehow. Most platforms do have it though. Yeah, it's not on there, but I'll ask them, see if we can figure something out there. So the market losing that 293 level here. So I'm out of the position that I was in, just locking it in. Don't want to go into the red there. But that pushed all the way up there to 61. So now we're just kind of sitting back here. I'm not too excited about shorting just yet. I like to see more of a push up here. But still, you know, we'll keep an eye on it here. The low of day down there at the 11,980 levels. So let's see what happens right here at 12,000. Watch it on the SPY here. That'll put us kind of like below 292.50. We'll see what happens. Roy Jenkins making some money. Let's go, boys. Fresh Cash Friday. A little pop back up here off the 12,000. So that 12,000 area acting as support on the NQ right now. You got the SPY over here we're looking at right now. The SPY finding some support down there at the 394 level. See if the SPY pushes up 396, maybe 398. I just want to see like some type of pushback up here. Just to get, if I'm going to get short. I feel like shorting down here at the bottom could be dangerous. But I'm kind of watching that 12,000 level. If 12,000 can't hold here, I'm going to get short. 12,000 on the NQ. That'll be like 290, 250 area. Do, 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 do. Look at this breakdown here. Let's see if we get a nice little move to the low of day again. If we break below that low of day here, we got that 292 area as support right now. Looking for a break down. Break it down, baby. Hey, CJ, making it rain. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Let's go. Oh man, I got some serious FOMO from yesterday. I gotta go back in time and buy some puts. The one time, the thing is, like, if I would have bought puts yesterday, I guarantee the CPI numbers would have magically been good and the market would have rallied. It was for sure, you know. You know what I mean? Like, for sure the market would have just literally rallied somehow, magically rallied to all-time highs yesterday. like 100%. If I would have bought puts, the market would have rallied. No lie. It would have been like guaranteed. I could have guaranteed it. I should have bought puts and you guys should have all bought calls. We could have worked together there. Just give me your profits. I could have saved the market. I could have saved it. It's just every time I feel like I make it, if I've done this so many times where I see, like, I'm like, oh my gosh, like this has to happen, right? Like, this is for sure going to happen. Every time I have that type of like conviction about a trade, it never works out. I swear to God, every fucking time. It's like, surprise. Just kidding. Just kidding. Here we go, down there below the 12,000s now. Beautiful little move here. Looking for a little bit lower. Let's see if I take it there. I'm going to take it right there. It is Fresh Cash Friday. I like to take my fresh cash. I like it hot and I like it ready. Nice little morning so far. This price action's kind of just, I think Giovanni said it. It's like, man, like, am I really going to be taking a short down here right now? But we'll see what happens. I would just like to see some type, like a better, like a kind of like a route, like a squeeze up and then a dump. That would be a much better setup here. But you see right now, like, see that little bounce back. I mean, the market's down 2%. We've had, you know, 3 or 4% down days. So there's still it could possibly, you know, still go much lower here today. But again, like, I just feel like it was too easy, right? It was too easy. I feel like whenever a trade is too easy, it's just like, it's not. Like, when you look at a chart and you're like, oh, this is for sure going to keep going down. That's when you end up getting screwed. As I'm saying this, the market's going to keep going lower and lower. But I'll let you guys know when I short, because then you can get long. Yeah. No, I'll short. You guys all get long. We'll help you out here. Damn it, AMC is like not. Why is AMC not crashing down? It's coming. That's the thing. Like with AMC's, like I know it's gonna go to single digits. Like I know AMC's go into 0, but the minute that I buy puts, it's gonna rally up. So I ain't doing it. All right, so we're sitting back here, we're waiting, we're watching the market right now, just sell, 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 and we're looking for a push up. I'd like to see some type of push up here. We had a little push up earlier. I was hoping for a little bit higher of a push up there, but right now the market continuing to sell, 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 breaking below that 12,000 area, now down there to 11,953. We got a little bit of that action, but we didn't get much of it. Still, we're in the green today. It's green, green, green. It's Fresh Cash Friday. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I mean, I said AMC would go to $15 when it was $60, so, you know, I'm pretty happy either way. I think I nailed it on an AMC. You know, but that's, you know, the coulda, the shoulda, the woulda. People are not going to be pulling their 401k today, Matthew. Relax. A 2% down day is not going to get everyone to start selling their retirements just yet. And most people never really sell their 401k. There's a reason they have 401ks, because they don't touch it. They don't trade it. Yeah, but you got to think, most people that have 401ks don't even know about inflation. You know, you're thinking like a trader, not like a normal person who just works at Amazon and has a 401k. Like if you weren't here in 2020, you don't even know, boy. You don't even know. 2020, the whole entire market got halted. I mean, you want to talk about some insane shit. There was a day where the entire market was halted twice. Like twice. It never happens. That never happens. The entire stock market halted because every stock was selling off that much. Like, that was some scary shit. I'll tell you that. Like, you think a 2% down day is going to scare people. Imagine a 7% down day. That was that was crazy. We were I can't remember if I was live on, I think I was live on YouTube or making videos on YouTube at that point. So, World War II. I wasn't alive during World War II for the stock market, but I'll be alive for World War III, I guess. I don't even remember. I think it was like a 3 or 4% gap down, and the market just kept selling. It was down like 7% that day. It happened twice. We had two circuit breakers in one day. The entire market, 15 minutes, just stopped. All right, Hayden Huey, 2001, 2008, we get it. We get it. Hayden's like, well, you know, they stopped it in 2008. They stopped it in 2001. I know. But futures, you want to talk about some crazy action? Like, futures were literally moving like 200, 300 handles within minutes. Literally minutes. Also, Matthew, like, most long-term investors aren't pulling their money out right now. They're buying more stock. I mean, the market's going to bounce back. There's going to, like, once we find the bottom, like, the market's obviously going to bounce back one day. But, you know, who knows when the bottom's going to happen. 5 years from now, we could all be sitting here going, damn, do you remember when the SPY was $300? I wish I would have bought hand and fist. When the SPY is $800 one day, we're all going to be sitting here going, oh, man, we should have been buying the dip. Should have been buying the dip there. I don't know. I just think about a lot of people that I know that have retirements and all that. Like they're not sitting there looking at their stock portfolio every day, or maybe they are. I don't know. Will the 290 area hold here? The $1 million question. This thing is just continuing to sell, sell, sell. Can she find support? Man, this thing is getting murdered right now, boys. 290 needs to hold here. 290 needs to hold. Can she hold? Watching the 11,900 level here on the M&Qs. If we get a break below, we're just going to sell, sell, sell here. Get this to just... Oh my gosh. It's a murder. There's blood in the streets, boys. There's blood in the streets. There's blood everywhere. There's blood everywhere. Took a little short here just to get a little scalp in below that 11,900 level. Definitely a chase, but just locking in some quick profit there. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I want to get a $300 bill, baby. $300 bill to put in the bank today. I'm going to the bank with a $300 bill. Give me $300, make me holler. Ooh, baby. I'm hurting right now, boys. It's early. It is currently 4 o'clock here in Hawaii. It's a blood fest. It's a blood fest. A murder fest. Absolute murder. Yeah, I'm definitely not trying to catch any knives today. No knives for me. I'm taking those easy trades. Easy trades only. If you're wondering why I took that trade right there for that break below that 290 level, you could just see, man, that thing was just sell, sell, sell. Like it just was guaranteed to break below that 11,900 level here on the M&Q. I'd like to see it push back up. Push back up to the 11,950. Matthew Stevenson up $700 so far. Hey, Matthew, don't give back your profit today. I know you think you're high on life right now, but sometimes it's okay to walk away. Sometimes it's okay to walk away. And I only say that because I want you to succeed, Matthew. I just don't want to see you typing in the chat box later saying that you shorted at 290 and then the market rallied at 294. It's okay. How many contracts do you have right now? The next support on the SPY. Where's the next support? If we look here on the chart, on the hourly chart, I'd say the next support really, I mean, fuck. 290 area flat. Or maybe, I mean, 286. I mean, take a little bit of profit, Matthew. Come on, man. You keep, like, I know what you're doing. You're trying to make all that loss back from yesterday, etc. But hey, you do you. I'm not going to tell you what to do, obviously, but don't go, don't go trying to make back profit from yesterday. So the SPY basically just like in the middle here. We got this previous area of consolidation back there in May. Here, kind of previous resistance at this level, so see if that's gonna act as support here. Watching on the SPY now. The Qs, little bounce back here. I'm doing great. It's Fresh Cash Friday, Armand. Let's go, baby. Like to see a push up here. Test that VWAP area again. Test that VWAP, get a push up here. 291 at least. Minimum 291. Matthew, just close them accidentally. Well, just, hey, walk away, buddy. You're up. You're up. You had a good day. You came back from yesterday. Best thing you can do now is just take that profit. Focus on it, you know. Appreciate it. Love it. Enjoy it, you know. Looking for a push up to the 291s here. See if we can push up to 291. Holding that 290 area right now. I'd like to see a push up here. I'm thinking 291 is very doable here for a little bounce back. We need some, you know, we got to get some bounces back. You can't just go straight down. You got to get those bounces. At least, you know, that's what I tell myself. That's what I tell myself here. Whatever makes me feel better. Don't trade with me. Stop trading, Matthew. Walk away. No more trades for you. I want you to be done. Just walk away, buddy. Or just sit here and watch, but don't, you know, don't do anything stupid. Don't give back that profit. Don't give back any profit, my friend. Matthew asks if I'm crazy. You have a lot to learn, young Padawan. A lot to learn. Hey, it's okay. Let him do what he wants. He was scalping for $10 profits last night in a sideways market. Telling me that he was killing it over there. What do you take, Matthew? Everything you just said contradicts everything that you do, that you did yesterday at least. Matthew said that one thing he's learned over the years is when you're making a lot of money, keep making a lot of money. Take a break when you aren't making any. What happened yesterday? You weren't making any money, but you didn't take a break. You traded all day, 24 hours yesterday. So don't give me that inspirational bullshit. Oh. My freaking computer sometimes. My hard drive's full. Been filming too many videos. I feel like no matter what, my hard drive is. I delete stuff on my hard drive and it's still always full. Bow, 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 bow. Matthew with the words of I can get a hard drive cheap. Yeah, I know I can get a hard drive cheap. Yes. So I have a solid state hard drive, and then I have another hard drive for video and stuff. Don't worry about me. How will we know when it's time for calls? I don't know if today is a day to be buying calls, especially holding over the weekend. What did you buy, Florida Nick? You bought call options for $9? Oh, you paid $4.63 for call options? On what? I mean, I'm not going to say the market can't go up next week, but I don't know if I want to be holding call options over the weekend. Just going to get burnt. Time decay. So the market down to 289.71, just slowly bleeding out right now. We haven't really had like any massive like drop here. Just been kind of grinding lower. Giovanni, what would the chat give the odds of closing green today? I think I would say that's like almost zero chance. The chance of the market to closing green today, I would literally, I don't even know how that would happen. The Fed would have to come out and say they were just gonna start buying stocks again, maybe. Jerome Powell would have to come out and just say that he's gonna give everybody who owns a stock, it'd be like an NFT reward. If you own a stock, you're gonna get paid $100 for every stock that you own. Then the market goes higher. No, see, I think even if Biden said that everyone's debts were paid off, the market would tank. Even then, the market would like literally they'd have to come out with like the most amazing news ever, like some serious insane news, some seriously insane news. Looking for a push up here. I think we're gonna get a push. I got a feeling. So if it might be a good time to buy some more puts. We get a push over 291. Try to get up there again to that VWAP area here. Just feel like we gotta get some type of price movement upwards here. It's too easy right now. That's what I said earlier. Like, it's just like the market's too easy. Like, you're looking at it, you're like, oh, this is 100% gonna go lower and lower. Like, it's just too easy. So now we need to get a fake out, you know? Now we need the market to be like, oh, just kidding. Teach us a lesson. What happens when you think it's too easy? So looking for a push. I'd see a push up here to the VWAP area would be nice. That would also be a really good short opportunity as well. So like the idea of this pushing up isn't just because I'm like, oh, I want to make money going long. It's because, you know, I like to get a better short opportunity. I feel like shorting down here is just like playing with fire. Even though the market's grinding lower, I mean, we're not getting like a beautiful setup here to get short. So give it a little bit of time here. See if we can push up here a little bit. We need to just, I think, 292. Come on, 292, baby. Watching it here. See if we get a break above this candle here, the 290.32 area. Or if we get a break to the downside here, 289.70 here. Look to get short if we break below that 290, 289.70 level here. See, like even on the I don't love that. I don't love the shorts. I don't love the shorts here. The SPY down to the 390 level here. Looking for some type of bounce, baby. Come on. You know it wants to happen. The SPY at the 390 level here. Looking for a move. Looking for a move, 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 move. Oh, if this thing just starts selling again, I think we're gonna just get murdered here. Just get murdered. Show the heat map. I don't know, but it's hot. The low basically being this 289 level, 280. There we go. The low on that candle there, 289.45. We break below there, we're going 288 pretty quickly, I think. Close the gap. Is there a gap to the downside? Hopefully not to the upside here. Hopefully not to the upside. Looking for a break below this 289 level here. See if we get it. 289.53 now. 289.45 is that area we want to see break. $289.51, $289.53 holding there. Can it break? Can it break? Can it break? Can it break? Looking like she wants to break here. 289.50. Oh! Just not selling, man. Come on. Give me a bigger dip. Give me a boner candle. I want a boner candle. You can see right now, kind of just going sideways through this move right here. Kind of watching this area here. We could get a little bounce. I don't know, man. I still think there's a bounce to come here. The 289.50 area is still holding here on the Qs right now. Watching closely here. Watching so very, very close. Look how tight this action is right here. We've basically just gone sideways for the last 30 minutes now. And there we go. Lower, lower, lower. See if we can ride this action down to the 289's flat. 289 flat would be a target here for a little scalperoonie. Break below 289. No follow through there. It's just not following through. Oh, man. Watching this 289 area here. See if we get a bounce. If we get a bounce, we can push up there 291 off of the 289s. I feel like I've just been looking for a bounce all morning here. Been looking for a bounce. Hayden Huey, you don't know about the Discord? You don't know about the Discord? The #1 rule of the Discord is we don't talk about the Discord. I think you've also been I haven't seen you in a while, Hayden. Where you been? You've been cheating on me. You've been somewhere else. So looking for this push up now. 291 would be a nice little target here. We get above the 11,900 area on the M&Q here. No, I haven't really posted a lot about the Discord yet because I want to get the Discord all set up. There's like 100 people in there right now, but we're working on getting it all dialed in. So watching the 11,900 level here on the NQ. Get a push up to the 950s, I think is very doable if we can break through there. Wow, the market's down 381 points. That's fun. I want to make all that profit. I want a 380 handle move while I'm in a trade. Can that ever happen, please? Please happen to me one day. The buyers are timid down here. The buyers are timid. Looking for a push over the 11,900 level here. Okay, I'm going to post the Discord. I'm going to do it. Get ready, people. Get ready. Here it comes. In the chat. Whee! One Discord link has been sent. Market getting just no support right now. Where are all the bulls at? There are no bulls left. There are no bulls. The SPY's down, what? 2.7%. The Qs are down 3.2%. Oh, man, I was hoping for some better price action today, boys. Like, you know, like give me some pops, give me some drops, give me some action. This slow bleed out right now is not what I was hoping for. I want to see some volatility. Give me some pops, give me some drops, you know. It's fucking hot in here. That's what it is. I'll tell you that. The market's crashing and I'm burning up. Like I'm sweating. 4 in the morning and I'm sitting here fucking sweating. God damn. We got roosters and no bulls. Ain't that the truth? I think there's a rally to come. Like there's a rally to come here at some point today. A suckers rally. It's got to happen. Question is, how low do we go first? How low do we go before? How low do we go before we get the rally? I need to start singing. Can you take me higher to a place where golden things take me to 291? All right, we got 100 people watching. We got 42 likes. Don't be afraid to hit that like button, my friends. Also, if you want to support the channel, you can sign up for $5 a month and be a supporter, be a member. It's like basically, you know, it's like paying for Netflix, but getting way better value. I mean, this entertainment, I'll tell you right now, the entertainment you're going to get here on the channel is going to far surpass anything you're going to get on Netflix. 100%. Anything that you're going to see on the internet, it's going to be the best right here. Roy Jenkins canceled his cable and just paid for my subscription for $5 a month. Let's go, baby. Hey. Is this going to be, are we going to get a little pop here? Come on, 291. Just push 291. I think if we can break to the upside here, we might get a push up 292 pretty quick. Squeeze some bears. Like I said, it's just been too easy all morning. The market right now, it's just been too easy in terms of what to do. You know, it's like, oh, when you look at the market, you're like, oh, it's just going down, down, down. I can just get long, I can get short. It's easy. It's too easy. Like I see a push above the 11,900 level here. Currently long on the MNQs. See if we can push up here. My entry down there at the 76s. So basically buying down at this level here. So we'll see if we can get a push up. I'm going to let this one ride a little. I want to get a move here. I'll let it ride basically for my break even on this. Let's get a move up to the 291s here on the Qs. I'm riding. I'm going long for the long ride. 11,900. Giving trouble there. Come on, boys. Get a squeeze. Come on, hold that right there. Hold it. Push it. Don't go sideways again here. Come on, make a break. Make a break. Wait, Matthew Stevens on the... He's looking at the monthly heat map. Oh my gosh, this guy. Oh, come on. I'll wait for that to break over 11,900. I don't want to give back any profit here. Damn it. You son of a bitch. That wasn't knife catching. Trust me. That was buying the dip there. We're going to get a break here. It's going to happen. 11,900 is going to break. I'm telling you right now. We're going to 11,950 at some point. Now it's going to rally back. Watch it. Go to the moon here. Just got to rally to the moon here. She's trying to push it. Market, I mean, it's like it's trying to push it. She's trying to push, baby. So we get to push up here above that 11,900 now. Come on. Oh, man. The battle is real. The Bears, the Bulls. It's Fresh Cash Friday. We're doing it live on YouTube right now. Let's pop it. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Move your little mouse on over. We got 100 people watching, 56 likes. The numbers don't add up. The numbers don't add up. Just like inflation, the numbers just don't add up. You can't just keep printing and printing and printing forever, boys. You gotta pay the bills at some point. All right, so getting that break over the 11,900. Let's see if we can get a rally up here. 291 would be our goal. 291 would be a nice little move. Banana, banana, banana. Fee-fi banana. Man, this thing is. I thought we'd get a break there. We'd get a little move, but just like too slow to do anything right now. There are just no buyers. No buyers. Where are the buyers at? Pretty amazed right now, to be honest. Market's just grinding sideways, basically. Just grinding sideways here. A lot of volume down here. Well, all the volume for most of the day here because we've been going sideways. The SPY trying to push up here, 392 on the SPY. Got the VWAP up to 393. We got to move. SPY trying to push up here a little bit more than the Qs are. I'm thinking maybe the Qs follow the SPY here. If the SPY can get going, the Q will follow. Let's see if that works out for us. Push up to the 291s. I just want 291. Why is that so much to ask for? Why is that so much to ask for? Looking for us to push up here. Come on, boys. I'd like to see a break over the 908 level here on the NQs. This thing looking tight, like she wants to push. Like she wants it. Right now it's probably like 70 something, 70 degrees something. It just gets hot in my office because the computers, the lights, and everything just running constantly. It's bright in here, man. It's hot. It's bright. So look at the push up here. Let's see if we can get a push up. Come on. Get above the 10s here on the MNQ. I'm going to just take a little bit of profit there. Oh, take some more profit there. Oh, not getting filled. Oh, getting filled. And I'm all out. God damn it. I'm over it. I'm over this shit. Remember I always talk about, like, there's good days, there's bad days to trade. Even though, like, we've got this insane move to the downside. Like, I wouldn't say this is like a good day to trade. I was hoping for a lot better price action today, but I mean, we just have not been moving. Just have not been moving here. I'm green on the day right now. So I'm not sure I really want to push it anymore unless we get some type of big move here, but it is Friday. It's Friday. Fresh Cash Friday. Fuck. I guess I didn't really think about, waking up early to get short before the CPI numbers. But like I said, if I would have shorted before the CPI numbers, I would have ended up getting squeezed or some crazy shit. Like it just wouldn't have, the world, the history as we know it would not be playing out as it's playing out right now. Like I would have been the one reason that the market would have rallied today. Just me shorting. Like I've had a few times where I've kind of, I guess, you know, gambled on CPI numbers or something and ended up making a lot of money. But I remember one time when I first started trading futures, it was pretty funny. The first time I started trading futures, I actually was, I think I was short pre-market, and all of a sudden, the market just tanked. Like 300, I think, I'm not 300 points, but like 200 points. And I had like 2 contracts going, and I was like, I thought I was the Wolf of Wall Street. I was like, holy shit, look at this. And then I looked at it, it was like, oh, CPI numbers came out. This is before I knew about, really knew, this is like probably, what, 2 or 3 years ago. First time I traded futures. It's pretty funny. Pretty funny. I'm just a comedian sometimes, people. There's that dump. So luckily I took profit when I did. Sometimes, you know, sometimes taking profit early ain't a bad idea. As much as people are like, "Oh, you took profit early." Hey, my bank account, the thing is, taking profit early, right? We got to go to the office for this. Let me go to the office for this. Taking profit early, my bank account has never called me and said, Patrick, you've been putting too much profit in the account. You gotta stop. We don't like it when you take it early. We don't like that cash early. We want you to hold on to that cash. So, for all the haters out there, luckily for me, the haters don't pay my bills. My bank account does. Two degrees? What the fuck? Oh, in Australia. I was like, wait, where's it 2 degrees at? And then I remembered you live in Australia, Hayden. It's so fun. It's so weird to think about, like, in Australia that they have Christmas time during the summer. Is that like when you grow up in Australia and Christmas is during the summertime, is Christmas always just like, I don't know, like in America we put like fake snow on the tree, you know, we make it all like look like it's like snowing and stuff. Do people in Australia like pretend that it's snowing out during Christmas time? How's that work? What is Christmas in Australia like? That's what I want to know. I'm really intrigued at this idea of what Christmas is like in Australia. Well, I know that, Steven, I know that Christmas is still the same date in Australia. I'm just saying, you know, in Australia, when they have Christmas, it's summertime. And then when it's, you know, when it's wintertime, they don't have fucking Christmas. I'm not that, I might look like I'm fucking stupid. Like, I might look like I'm stupid, but I'm not that stupid. I'm actually very, very smart. I'm not trying. Hayden, I'm not saying that Australia gets a lot of snow. I'm just wondering, you know, in America, we put like fake snow. We pretend that it's like, but at least it's like cold out, you know, at least in Florida. There's no, you know, There's no snow in Florida. So growing up, you know, Christmas time was like you had to pretend that it was like winter wonderland. I mean, it's the same in Hawaii. Come on, market, make a move, baby. Come on. Daddy wants to walk. I want to go back to bed. I want like one big boner candle here. Just give me one big boner candle, and then I'm going to bed. Is it too much to ask for? I don't think so. I don't think so. It's just not. It's not that much to ask for. Can you just give me a boner candle? One big boner candle to the moon. We haven't had a boner candle all morning. Not one big boner candle once. Imagine somebody walking by and he hears the stream. You're listening you're at your work. You're listening to the stream right now, and somebody hears talking about boner candles. The nice thing about Hawaii is it's always pretty nice weather. During the summertime, it gets a little toasty, but during the wintertime, it's nice. It's like the perfect temperature. It actually gets cold, I would say. It gets like in the 60s sometimes. Oh, down in the 60s. We're freezing up in here. We're freezing up in here. Man, this market just does not want to go, boys. Doesn't want to move. This is literally painful right now. Did not expect this. I didn't expect this move today. I guess didn't expect it to just get this sideways action here. I guess that's what happens when the CPI numbers come out and the whole market just tanks. Sub copper plays. Sub penny plays. Oh man, I haven't traded a penny stock in a long time. You don't wait. Just painful. Ba, 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 ba. See if we break down here. 289. Area should be a target. 288 after that. We break through this support here at 289. I think we go pretty low. Low. How low can she go? We got to get moving here either way. Got to get moving here, boys. Market right now. Watching 11,900 level here on the M&Qs. See if we get a push up here. If 390, if the 3930 breaks, I think we can get to 3955 Giovanni. Okay. I would agree with you there. I mean, we just need to break out of this kind of sideways momentum here either way. And I think we can get moving here. I would love to see a test of the VWAP. And we're not really selling down anymore. We're just going sideways. Just moving sideways here. Let's, come on, not 291. 291, give me a boner candle. Please. Please. Getting denied once again there. Oh, this is painful right now. Absolutely painful. Boop, 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 boop. $392 on the SPY here. The Q's $290 again. No boner candles for us. I see a lot of mites. Everybody talking about mite down there. I want some guarantees. I don't want to hear about it might happen. I want to hear about it's guaranteed to happen. Give me some guarantees, boys. It's a guarantee that it's going to go lower. It's a guarantee that's going to go higher. Perfect. I like it. Well, now we're going to 460 now, Hayden. Good job. Good job. Look at this action right now. Just killing me on the one. Look at this thing. Can we go any more sideways? If we were going any more sideways, we'd be off the chart now. To the right. Be guaranteed we're going to go sideways here. We're watching that last 3-minute candle here looking like a doji. Doji. We had a couple dojis here, but let's see what happens. I mean, we're so tight here. I mean, there's just got to be a big move to come here. Right? Right? In theory? In theory, I would say there's a big move to come. Can't guarantee it, but in theory, there might be a big move to come. In theory. In theory, it's going to happen. Let's see. In theory, we're going to get the market to move, the market to move, the market to move, the market to move. Some painful consolidation down here. Just painful right now. Oh my baby Jesus. Watching the 11,880 area here on the NQs. I think we can go lower. If we can just break here. All right, come on. Let's break out of this sideways action. Let's get down to the 288s. 288s, baby. Come on. That would just be too easy, too simple, wouldn't it? Yep, too easy. I knew it. Just too simple, too easy. Would have been a lot more fun if they came out with the CPI numbers like in the, you know, like at 9:30. Oh, could you imagine they come out with the numbers at 9:30? That would have been some action, baby. Drop those numbers right at the market open. Would have really got people excited. That would have really got the people excited. Looking for a break. I love to see 288 right now. I'd love to see it. Get a break below 289 here. Currently short on the NQs. We got that break below that level, like I said, before it happened. We're up almost $150 here on these 3 contracts. Looking to probably take a little bit of profit right there, just to lock in some profit and let this ride here. It's moving. It's just it's not moving very fast. If we hold this level, it could be interesting. I want to see us break below this 11,850 level. Don't want a double bounce there. Double bounce. Currently short from the 80s. We're at the 60s right now. I can see a break below the 50s. Watching the 70s here. If we push back up, I'll end up getting out. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. I like my cash fresh. Can we break through 289 here? This is a key word. A key area here. If we can break, we get a nice little sell through that 289 level. Watching the NQs right here at the 58s now. The SPY down to the 390 level. Everything at the lows right now. Can we get the sell to come through here? I'm going to lock in a little bit more profit there. And I might get stopped out as well. I'm going to get stopped out. So getting some fills down there at the 60s and then the last at the 70s. Not liking it there. We'll wait for a break. We'll wait for a break. Pushing back up now, so good little read there. We'll see if we hold that support. Double bottom here at this level. This sideways, man, is fucking killer right now. It's 11 o'clock. And we've been going sideways since 10 o'clock. I don't like it. I don't love it. Just hard to trade, man. Oh, man. All right. So, to be honest, I'm kind of over it. Kind of over it. Low key, no Facebook. On a day like today, why don't you do selling entries? It's not likely to make money buying on bearish conditions. I was just short. Like the last trade I was short. I don't know what is that? Selling entries? I think I just got short. I mean, the thing is, like, okay, maybe the market moves lower here. Maybe it goes up. Maybe it goes sideways. But guess what? There's always money on Mondays. Always more money to be made. I gotta short more. I need to sell more. I need to sell more. Let's go. Hey guys, seriously. It's fucked up. It's literally fucked up. We got 100 people watching. 79 likes. It's just fucked up, man. I'm gonna start charging $5 per day. Let's go. Support the channel, support, you know, like everybody just wants free shit these days. Nobody wants to support anymore. My YouTube's dead. Fuck. I'm gonna start making videos like that, like all the AMC ape YouTubers, and just make most outrageous claims ever. AMC to $1 million, and everyone's gonna comment, everyone's gonna like it, and be like, "You're so smart. You're the smartest YouTuber in the whole world." Nah, Hayden Huey, OG supporter. I know there's supporters out there, but it's frustrating, man. It's fucking frustrating. Market still just kind of grinding around here. Foxtrot's drunk right now. What time is it where you're at? I hope it's not 11 o'clock. Foxtrot's wasted at 11 o'clock. Let's go. I agree with you, Dark Shadow. I don't like it. Matthew's rich. Hey, there you go. Nice work, Brian. Spanking that ass. Spanking that ass. Wow. What's interesting here, look at this. Alibaba holding at the 109 area. Is it actually green on the day? Alibaba's only down 0.15%. That's interesting. It actually like gapped up this morning. I made a video on the channel talking about Alibaba. I'm liking Alibaba. I know there's a lot of, you know, kind of questions around the company here, but I like Alibaba long term. I think there's potential. If you look at the landscape, you look at what they got going on. The thing is, I'm not looking to be a buyer right now, though. I think the market's going to go lower in general this summer, so I'm not too worried about buying just yet. But I mean, the all-time high on Alibaba is $320. So, I mean, even if it ends up breaking out and going higher from here, you're still getting in at a nice discount long term. I'd probably be buying. I'm gonna look to buy call options on Baba. If we, I like to see the Alibaba back down there to the $80 level, and then you buy like 160 call options that expire in 2023. I think would be Good play there. There we go. Look at this market just going nowhere. Absolutely going nowhere. Matthew made $1,000 a day, and he didn't even like the video. Wow. Wow, no love, no support. So we're just sitting back here, we're waiting, we're watching, we're looking for some type of action. Remember, it's Friday. I would rather have I would rather make no trades on a Friday and walk away with zero profit, zero trades, than to end up, you know, forcing trades, making bad trades, giving profit back. I think, you know, for me at least on Fridays, Friday is my day that I gotta be the most, what do you call it? I gotta be strict on Fridays. Because I know exactly what happens. I get all loosey-goosey, I start making crazy trades, start over trading, and then the end of the day happens, and then I gotta spend the whole weekend thinking about how much of an idiot I am. And I don't like doing that. I don't like spending, you know, time sitting around thinking about, wow, I'm an idiot. I don't want to do that. I want to have a nice weekend. You know, I want to enjoy the weekend. I don't want to think about how stupid I am. And I've had plenty of weekends like that, and it's the worst. Literally, like, you end up spending Saturday, you're like sitting there like, damn it, man. Savage TV. Patrick, if only you would have listened to me with the QQQ. When was I supposed to listen to you? I missed you didn't call me you didn't call my cell phone. I missed it. The thing is, like, I don't even care if the market goes lower from here. I honestly don't. Like, the market can keep going lower, but like, what's it matter? I want action. That's my trading style. Like, my trading style is not sitting here for 3 or 4 hours waiting for the market to grind lower for 50 points, you know? That's just not what I do. And that's fine. I saw somebody talk about, like, hey, they made a lot of money, you know, trading a sideways market. And that's, you know, that's the great thing about trading is, like, there's people that make money doing weird, you know, like, crazy trading strategies. And it works for them, but it doesn't work for everybody. I know personally, like, my style of trading is, you know, I need to get in, I need to get out. I need action. Do I trade gold? I don't really trade gold, no. I trade pictures on the internet, though. JPEGs on the internet, baby. I got some good ones going right now. My JPEGs are blowing up, boys. Got my JPEGs just blow it up over here. Check this out. So, on these right here, these little bears, I paid 0.04. They're at 0.11 right now, but they were, like, up to, like, 0.30. Should have sold there. I'm an idiot. Check out this little guy. My little bunny. Got my little bunny right there. It's behind my head, but that guy right there was free. This is a free mint. Now it's 0.46. Oh, these guys are up to 0.14 right now. Let's go. This ones are free too. I basically got these for free. Now they're worth $40. It might not be a lot of money, but it could turn into a lot of money. These really kind of screwed me, these horses. I went to sleep and I woke up and they went from like 0 to 0.30. What the fuck? That sucks. Now they're back down to 0.02. They were free, but I got a lot of them. I got like 100 of them. And then we got these ones. These were free too. Where's my recent one? These monkeys kind of flopped. These little mummies, I paid, I think these were free as well. Oh, these ones right here, these were free. The wonky wolves, I minted these for free, and now they're 0.45, so they're worth like 20 bucks a pop. So I literally got $20 for free on these NFTs. This is my type of trading, baby. I want to pay $1 and then make $20. Yay. So we're sitting back here, we're waiting, we're watching. Slowly doing nothing. Michael, how do I, somebody asks, how do I make money? Well, so I buy pictures on the internet, NFTs. I trade cryptocurrency. I trade futures. I trade options. I have the YouTube. And then I just fucking hustle, baby. I make money. No debt. I don't have any trust fund or anything like that. I grew up in a working middle class family. Nobody in my family even owns a stock. That's the best part. I make all these videos about the stock market, and nobody in my family even owns a stock. So, I mean, I would say that I don't know the percentages, but Giovanni, like it just fluctuates. I might have a, it's like a month-to-month thing. Every month's different. What crypto do I trade the most? Honestly, I trade whatever's kind of moving. Normally Bitcoin. Trade leverage on Bitcoin is sometimes some really good action. Some really good action there. I do like when people think they know what I do or how I live. Ain't nobody knows. No one knows the real truth. So watching right now on the M&Q here from the 11,850 back up there, 11,900. This could be the start for the push back up. First boner candle I've even that's a little tiny boner candle. Little tiny boner candle, but it's looking like a boner candle right here. We get a push above the 11,900 area, kind of look maybe to get an entry here. And no, I do not sell drugs. It's not as lucrative as some people think. Matthew, are you laughing at me about trying to catch a falling knife? You know, at some point, Matthew, this market's gonna bounce back, right? There's gonna be a push up. Don't get too cocky in your success, my friend. Like you'd be crazy to think that this market's just gonna go down forever. There will be a pushback up here. Just riding the wave. There you go. Nice work. I'm happy for you, Matthew. Yeah, it's talking about your drug dealer friends that also have $100,000 portfolios. Nice. People that make $100,000 selling drugs love to buy AMC. What do you think? You think most drug dealers' portfolio is AMC and GameStop? I feel like that. I feel like AMC is literally is just like it's like it's literally the perfect stock for a drug dealer. Is that messed up? That there's a stock that I would say like, oh, this is, if there was any stock in the stock market that a drug dealer would own, it's AMC for sure. I'm just kidding. Oscar said on YouTube, to make money you need at least 100,000 views per day for $400. No. That's if I was getting 100,000 views a day, I'd be making close to like maybe $1 million a month. If you guys want to help me if you guys have an idea on how I can get 100,000 views a day, I will literally share the profit with you. I'll give all my YouTube live stream subscribers $100 a day. If I get 100,000 views, holy shit, I'd be rich. Naked chicks. No, that won't work. The surf videos don't get views. Literally nothing will get views. I can make the most amazing video about trading or whatever, and it'll get like 5 views. I can make a video about AMC being a scam, get 10,000 views. Naked trader. That does seem a little suspect. Does seem a little suspect. Naked trading. Make a video about the roosters in Hawaii. Okay. Market just selling and 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 selling forever. This is painful right now to watch. It's absolutely painful. The SPY back down to the 390 level again. Will she bounce? Find some support there once again here. You can see on the SPY right now. Sometimes these charts, especially on a big gap down, it's hard to pull these charts up good. See if we can break through the low of day, get down there on the Qs. I like to see 288 flat here. Breaking below 289 now. Basically going through that support there. Oh my. We got the Tinder hooker back. She's back. Naked Tinder. They like my channel for some reason. I think it's because of you guys. The bot knows that you guys are all a bunch of pervs looking for naked girls on the internet. Looking for naked girls on the internet. You pervs. 288, having trouble. 289, back above 289 here. Box Graham Steven. I don't think that would even be a fair boxing match there, my friend. I need to find someone maybe a little bit more, you know, on my level. Trey Collins. I would box Trey Trades for sure. That would be a great one. I obviously would destroy him, but it would be great for the video. And you know, only in good fun, you know, only in good fun. It's only in fun here, boys. Bum 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 bum. Who likes sideways markets? This thing's gonna go sideways for the rest of the day, I think. It's just gotta go forever. It's 11:30 now. It's been an hour and a half, and we've basically just been within $2 or $1. Did you do coin interview yet? What's the coin interview? Go hunt pigs. I'm gonna go hunt me some pigs. I just don't know why. Why would you ever like the white go sideways? Yeah, I like to go up. I want to go up and down. I don't want to go sideways. I mean, sure, there's money to be made trading a sideways market, but I don't know. Again, you know, it all comes down to your personal trading style. I like it fast. I have too much ADHD to sit here for 3 hours and get 20 handles. This is not enough for me. I need more, baby. I want 20 handles in 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Giovanni. Let's see what we get here. Low key, no Facebook. Pay a professional and you'll have the 1,000 views you deserve. Instead of answering nosy people personal questions, create an engaging dynamic, constantly mentioning knowledge and breaking news. Okay. No more questions from any of you. Only engaging questions. I don't want any more questions from any of you assholes. That's just not my style, man. That's my style, man. Ooh-wee. They're not gonna help you. It doesn't work like that. Going on Fiverr and paying somebody to help. Please help me make my YouTube better. Hiring some Indian in India to get more views on my videos will not make me more money. It's just not that easy. Oh my gosh, can this market move any slower? I don't think it can. I don't think it's humanly possible for this market to be any slower right now. I literally don't think it's any possible. I think we've hit maximum velocity. Hit maximum velocity here. We are breaking the fucking speed barrier right now. The speed of light. The market is, I can't even see what's happening. It's moving so fast. You agree with Matthew? Where's Matthew say? I bet somebody on Fiverr could help you grow like crazy. What does that even? I don't even know what that means. I mean, I already have 100. I've already kind of grown. I've lost more subscribers than most people have ever had. I don't know if that's a good stat or just a stat in general. But it's true. Oh, we got a new member. New member, shout out. Tim S. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, I definitely would love to. The problem with hiring an editor to edit, it's like they're slow, man. So like if I make a video about, you know, about the market today, like the chance of them editing it before I can edit it is probably impossible. Like the videos that I make, they need to be like fast, you know? Hey, I agree. You know, the live streams are more so just something to do. Your videos are fantastic. See you later, Hayden. Nice work. You won't have to sell your wife's car today. Always good news. Always good news. Do I ever watch Swag? Is that a movie? Look at the algorithm just put out a bear wick. It just said alert on bear wick. Little late for that fucking alert. Little late, buddy. The AI is finally like, all right. Yes, I know Dr. Disrespect, Matthew. I know all the gamers. Ninja, all of it. It's just different, man. My viewers are not 15-year-old kids. Or 13-year-olds. Or 12-year-olds. Or probably like 10-year-olds. That are watching the gamers. Thanks. That was a good time, Denny. That little weekend adventure. Mature viewers. I have a mature audience. Watching the SPY here at the 390s. Can it break down? Can it hold? Can it go sideways? The $1 million question. It goes up, it goes down. Holy crap. This is absolutely painful. Let's go, Irvin. My live streams are hilarious ASF. I don't know what that means, but it sounds like it's good. I'm just kidding. I do know what it means. Oh. 5:38, baby. It's Friday. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Let's go. Honestly, the Wi-Fi, when I was on the cruise ship, trading on the Wi-Fi on the cruise ship is like super fast. I think the Wi-Fi on the cruise ship was actually faster than my Wi-Fi in Hawaii. All right. All right, all right. We're breaking below 390 now on the SPY. Can we finally just go lower, 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 lower? Or maybe we just go sideways. I'm just going to close my eyes and wake up in an hour. Would you guys just keep the stream going? To start doing sleeping streams where I just sleep on the stream. Pretty much what I'm doing right now. Oh my baby Jesus. Oh, let's go. Live on a cruise ship and day trade. That would be expensive. Those fuckers are expensive. They might be cheap now. I wonder what it costs to live on a cruise ship for an entire year. They have like deals where you can literally like get like a deal if you book for like months on end. People do it. They book for like a month. Low key, no Facebook. All right, hey, let's go. If you can help me, help me. Just live on a cruise ship for the rest of your life. Oh, man. That would be a life, wouldn't it? That would be a life. Well, you know, guess what? Big news, guys. Big news. Get ready. We're still here. We're still going sideways. You can send me an email, low key. There's an email. I'll put my email here. There's an email in the, I put it in the chat. Bum, 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 bum. Looking for a push-up here, baby. Come on. Give me a boner candle. Just one boner candle today. That's all I want. Also, if you guys haven't already, there's a I'll put a link in the disc. There's a disc. We opened up a new Discord. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. We opened up a new Discord for the channel. Right there is a link. It's free. Come join us. Hang out when we're not live on YouTube. Bum, 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 bum. Man, it's market right now, boys. I took a little scalp off the bottom here, but why do I think the SPY is crawling? I don't know, because it had a massive gap down, and then now we're just going sideways Friday into the week. Market makers are trying to keep the market from going lower. They don't want to pay out on those puts. They're trying to just hold it here, I guess. I'm thinking there's still going to be an end-of-day rally. I don't know. Maybe that's me thinking or something. I don't. There's got to be, like, I'm thinking maybe they let it pump a little bit and then they dump it back down. I don't know. No, the difference between me and you, Matt, is I'm not holding a long right now saying it's going to rally. That was you. That's the difference, my friend. Small difference. Small difference, my friend. Small difference. We just keep riding that. I'm looking at the 3-minute chart here on the MNQs, and we're just riding that EMA right now. It just does not want to get above it. I think that's the, like, what is that? What indicator? What EMA is that? That's the 13 EMA right now on the 3-minute chart. Just riding it. Just riding it. But yeah, I don't have like a, I mean, there's not a simple answer to why the market's going sideways. I think just after that massive gap down, it's kind of like everyone that would have sold, I guess, at this point, and now the market's just kind of stuck. In theory, is what I would think. But right now, short on the MNQs, looking for the low of day test here, trying to trade this range. I'm trying to get better at the range trading. It might work here. Let's see. Just locking in some profit here as we dip down. Got one more contract here. See if we can get below this level. Short from the 41s. And there's that pushback up, so I'm going to get out now. I traded the range, boys. I did it. I made money trading the range. You guys should be proud of me. Be proud of me. No, I just got in when we broke. So basically when we broke below this level here, that 850 level, or this last candle, whatever it was there. Yeah, the 8, getting back below the EMA there was my entry. All right. So I've been live for 2.5 hours now. It's 6 a.m. here in Hawaii. The sun is coming out. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day always. But either way, it's Friday, Fresh Cash Friday. Yeah, it was a market order, Steven. Sometimes you got to mark it in, baby. James Hansen, no trades today. Hey, it happens. It happens. So, yeah, there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, join us in the Discord as well. We'll be there in the Discord talking shit, talking some fun. I have it on my phone as well, so it's easier to kind of check in throughout the day. But I think I'm gonna be done. I'm over it. I'm fucking over it. I'm fucking over it. I think it's time to go enjoy the Friday here in paradise. So, again, big thank you, like always. Good week. We had a good week this week. We had some really good trading days. I mean, what? Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Thursday was whatever, but Friday we had that big drop, and we just kind of haven't had much action since. So, beautiful, beautiful day, beautiful week, beautiful people out there. Big thanks for tuning in, subscribing to the channel, supporting the channel. You guys are the reason that I'm able to do this fun stuff, you know. So there. Giovanni got me excited for a minute. You said it was pumping, and I looked over and I was like, it's not pumping yet. I don't know. I think there's gonna be some type of bounce here at you know, but I could be totally wrong. I think there's gotta be some type of little, they gotta pump it up to crash it back down, because you need some liquidity, you know. You need to pump this market up, maybe to the VWAP, test the VWAP, and then deny it, and then smack it down, and then you get liquidity. You can get more selling pressure. Because right now, you know, you can basically see like we're just grinding price action wise. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Check out the Discord. There's a link there in the chat box. And I'll talk to you guys later on. I'm out of here.